Hey everyone, it's Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning to my channel, oh my goodness, thank you so much. It means the world to me. If you haven't joined the Lash Fam, go ahead and click the subscribe button, join the Lash Fam, hit the notification bell, if notifications really mean anything anymore here on YouTube, but definitely would love to have you be a part of this community. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, and it's something I'm so excited to share with you guys because I personally love balling on a budget. I love luxury, but I don't like paying for it. This mama has a budget she has to stick to. So if you want to hear about some body care that I have been loving that are super affordable and feel very luxurious, in my opinion, then just keep watching. Since becoming a mom, showering is like my time. If you are a mom and you know what I am talking about, give this video a like and a thumbs up, okay? Because seriously, sometimes after a crazy day taking care of the little girl, a shower just feels like it renews my soul. No joke. The first item is the jumbo size Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash. Yes, I do get the jumbo size. My husband uses this, I use this, and I don't want to have to go pick up a new one all the time. So I just bought the big old baby here. This is only $8.99 at Target for this big size, and I feel like a little bit of this body wash goes a very long way. I don't need to use a lot to get the job done. What I love about this is that it is moisturizing. I do not like using soap products that leave me feeling dry or stripped afterwards. This is gentle enough that I can actually use it to shave my armpits. I don't get any like irritation. My razor doesn't feel draggy. Like, this really does feel moisturizing. The other thing I love about it is the lather. It has a pretty rich lather. It's one of those lathers that as you're rubbing it in, it almost feels a little bit velvety, like a smooth velvety texture. I hope that makes sense. But that is why I love this, because it does have that rich, creamy, velvety feeling that to me feels like something I would grab from Sephora or something like that. It just has this very luxe, rich lather that makes me feel like I'm using something better than just the plain old Dove from the grocery store. And I also love the price tag and that this bad boy lasts a while, and I really like the scent actually. But there is this freshness in it. I'm really diving into like perfume and fragrance lately. I'm loving it. So I just love stuff that smells good. And to me, this is the kind of scent I want in my shower because it's just fresh, a little bit creamy, but there's really this freshness that's almost like maybe some type of fruitiness in there, but it's not like a sweet feminine fruity. It's like a zesty fruity. And the scent is neutral enough that my hubby has no issues using this. He's not like, oh, I smell like a girl afterwards. So definitely recommend this if you haven't tried it out. Now let's talk about a body scrub. And I've actually used it all up, so I can't even show you guys. But I purchased this at Ulta. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hydrating Hand and Body Scrub. I just use it on the body. But this is amazing to me, and it's so affordable. This is only $8.15, I believe $8.59 at Target. I can still, it's totally empty and I can still smell it in here. The best way that I could describe this scent to you, honestly, is sweet tarts. That's the total scent I get from it. It's got this very tart, fruity, sour tartness to it, but not in a gross way, but in a really delicious, fruity, fun kind of way. And it smells very summer to me. And honestly, if you don't like coconut, I love coconut, so I can't diss on my pal coconut. I love anything coconut. But I really don't get coconut from this. Maybe coconut adds a little bit of a creaminess to the scent, but I get like mainly like sweet tarts, like fruity, tart, sugary wonderfulness. And this is a sugar scrub, so it's just got this extremely good, I mean, you will get rid of some dead skin. I mean, there is a roughness to this scrub. It is not a gentle exfoliator. It's full on like when you want to really go in and you want to slough off some old skin cells, this will do it. But it also has coconut oil and it has vitamin E, and it leaves behind extreme oil and moisture. I mean, this is one of those where you feel like if someone gave you a hug afterwards, like you would fly out of their hands because you are oily afterwards, which I love. It's not something I would use every day, but when I want a really good me time in the shower, get rid of some dead skin and feel so smooth and oily afterwards, this is amazing. And for this time of year, I just am obsessed with the scent. And I think the scent to me is what makes it really feel high end, because the scent is strong. There's a ton of fragrance in here. I love a lot of fragrance. It makes me feel happy. It like wakes me up. It just is wonderful, and I really feel comfortable recommending this to you guys because I am obsessed. Like I said, I'm really into scents and fragrances right now, so there's a theme here with these body products that I love the way they smell, and to me they smell luxurious. They smell like they cost more than they do. The next one is kind of an oddity, I will admit, and you might be thinking like, what's so odd about a hair mask? Well, nothing at all. But I don't use this usually for a hair mask. This is the Garnier Fructis Papaya 1 Minute Hair Mask. And I picked it up at Walmart for $5.77, so it's very affordable, and honestly, it's a pretty hefty container. A little bit of this goes a very, very, very long way. Now, I have obviously used it as a hair mask. It works well. My hair feels very, very smooth afterwards. But that is not my favorite way to use this. I am so in love with this. I don't know if you have ever tried papaya before. The fruit to me is wonderful, delicious. The flavor of it is so unique. It's tropical, but it's got this extreme creamy, milky flavor to me. I don't know how to describe it, but this scent is dead on. I mean, this is, oh my gosh, the scent is so good. It smells exactly like papaya. It smells exactly how papaya tastes to me, honestly. Like, the creamy scent in here is what gets me. And this smells so luxe. It's obviously fruity. You have to like fruity scents. But it's like this, this is going to sound weird, but it's like a buttery, creamy fruit is the only way I can describe it. I'm obsessed. And when you're in the shower, the scent of this, I mean, it like fills the shower. The first time I used it, and then my husband came in the bathroom, he's like, what are you using? That smells amazing. I'm like, it's this papaya hair mask. But like I said, I don't like to use it just as a hair mask. Totally have. But I like to use this as a shave cream for my legs. It works so well. Now, I don't have super sensitive skin, so if you have sensitive skin, maybe do a patch test first to see if it causes any irritation or breakouts for you. But I use this as a cream shave product, and it works fantastically because it is a thick, rich cream, so it does a really good job of putting a thick barrier on my legs, and it just leaves them feeling so silky, silky smooth afterwards. To me, this makes the best smelling and affordable shave cream ever. And honestly, when you're lathering it on, it feels so creamy and wonderful that you would think you are using some luxurious shave cream, but you're not. It's real cheap. It's from Walmart. And then the last body care product we have to talk about is a new discovery, and I'm in love with it. I didn't realize EOS made body lotions. I knew they made chapstick. I knew they made some hand creams at one time. Had no idea they had body creams. Oh my gosh, you guys. This was only $7.99 at Target, and on their website it has over 1,000 reviews. Like, it's not just me that thinks this is incredible, okay? So don't just take my word for it. There's a whole bunch of us. This is their vanilla cashmere scent. Now, I want to throw this out there. You have to enjoy fragrance to enjoy this. If you are an unscented kind of gal, then skip this one because it's strong. But that's why I like it, and that's why to me it seems like something I would buy at a high-end store, because this bad boy, the scent could fill a room, no joke. This is a 24-hour moisture smoothing skin protection, and it does contain Shea, which I love Shea anyways. I absolutely love lotions that are paraben free. That's really important to me. This one is, and it is a lotion that feels really nice going on. It leaves you feeling smooth, almost like you have a little bit of a barrier on your skin. Like I put it on earlier and I still kind of feel like I can feel it on my skin. So it's not one that absorbs totally in, but it's not one that sits on the skin and leaves you feeling greasy or slimy at all. Like, just smooth, and like there's a bit of a barrier there, which I really enjoy. But the scent, y'all, that's what gets me. Oh my gosh, vanilla cashmere all the way. This smells exactly, honestly, exactly like Bath & Body Works Vanilla Noel at Christmas time. Like, that is to a T what this smells like to me. So an extremely, extremely strong, in-your-face, sweet vanilla. That's what I get. I love it, and it is powerful. Like, I put this on before bed one night, and for like 2 days after, every time I would open the sheets to get in, I would get this waft of vanilla to just hit me in the face. I personally love that. Doesn't bother me, but again, you have to like fragrance. The other reason I'm obsessed with this one is because I'm diving into fragrance, and the more I learn about it, the more I learn that you should hydrate your skin before putting on a fragrance to really make your perfume last. So I keep this by my perfumes and I put some on right before, and I just feel like vanilla is such a good fragrance that it mixes well with basically any other fragrance category. Like, doesn't matter if you're going fruity or woodsy or whatever it is, like, it just works. I love the sweetness in here, and honestly, like, I was at work the other day, we were busy, I was getting a little hot, it's been real hot here, and as my skin warmed up, I could smell this lotion, like the scent kicking back up. It's almost like you have a vanilla perfume on. Like, I cannot believe this is only from the drugstore. How you're so good. Yeah, those are the products I have been loving lately that feel luxurious, but they are affordable, which in my opinion, you cannot beat. The best of both worlds come together. All things do work out in the end. If you've tried any of these products, let me know down below what you think of them, or if you have any skincare, body care products that you are obsessed with that are affordable, please leave them down below. I always love getting recommendations from you guys. And yeah, that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are doing well. I really do. And as always, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.